Let's say you go to the kitchen and wash your hands, and when you look to dry your hands, get a paper towel, you realize you don't have a paper towel dispenser on the wall. So stay with me. I'm gonna show you in this video how to install a paper towel dispenser in your wall. So let's do it. Well, pretty much, I'm gonna try to do this job without having to use a drill. I'm gonna keep it as simple as possible. So what you're gonna need is a level, two screwdrivers at least, and anchors, and of course your paper towel dispenser to mount on the wall. So what we're gonna look here is the proper space, and then what we're trying to do is put it in a position that it doesn't interfere when opening the cabinet door. So I recommend this kind of level because it has a magnet, and then this avoid you doing double work or and being holding the level and holding the napkin dispenser, paper towel dispenser. So the nice thing about it is what you're mounting on the wall has metal, so the lever will stick on it. So, and what I will do is center it and decide where do I want to mount it, and it's pretty much easy. So you hold it with one hand, and with the other hand you mark the holes, the reference holes. So as you can see, it's level. So I'm gonna mark the holes. See those gaps that the paper towel dispenser has. So I'm gonna mark my reference point where I'm gonna drill in there with a pen or pencil. As you can see, it's level, and I already marked the 4 points that I will be opening holes on the wall, and I have my reference points right here. So now you can be sure of where you're gonna do, like start to open a gap. So what I always recommend is have at least 2 different kind of screwdrivers. And what I do first, I use this kind of anchor if it's only drywall. If you happen to find metal or wood behind the wall, you're gonna have to use a drill. And in those cases, in this case, I only use for drywall. So what I do is that's why I put the screw first before the anchor, because I want to open a hole, and if there is wood or metal, I will know it while I'm screwing the screw. And because it's only drywall, I open big enough but not too much that at least a quarter or almost the half fits in there. So I'm gonna make a little bit bigger with the screwdriver, and I'm gonna hammer it. The ideal is just a hammer, but in this case I'm gonna use the back of my screwdriver. So as you can see, I'm gonna do the same with the other 4. So I'm gonna try to hit it with the back of my screwdriver, but once again use a hammer, but also make sure everything goes. So as you can see right now, once you do that, you are ready to put your screws. You put the screws. The reason why I didn't show you when I put the screws and I mounted is because I am recording with one hand and working with the other one. But this is the job pretty much. As you can see, it's level and everything works okay. So the only thing is missing now is load this dispenser with paper towels. As you can see, I really love this kind of level because it has the magnet on it. So, and this is pretty much done. So if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. The job is done, and we are happy because everything resolved well. And one and most important part of the job is clean. If you want to be professional when you're doing a job, I do this as a handyman often, almost every day, mounting something on a wall, a TV, paper towel dispenser, picture, anything on the wall. So we do that as a handyman often. So I want to show you in this video the easiest way. It's not so complicated. You can do this job. So thank you so much for your time.